This Geetham is Kamalajadala in the Ragam Kalyani. It's set to the Misra Chapu Talam or Triputa Talam, Trishujati Triputa Talam, which goes as 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 for a total of 7 aksharams, or it's a 7 cycle, 7 beat cycle. The Arohana of the Ragam Kalyani, which is the 65th melakartha Ragam. It is one of the Sampurna melakartha Ragams in the 72 melakartha Raga scheme. It goes as follows: Sari Gama Padani Sani Da Pamaga Risa. So what is there to observe in this Arohana? First, let's look at the differences with respect to Maya Mala Gaula or Mohanam or some of the other Ragams you might have learnt before this. So it has a Chatushruti Rishabam, or a Re2 as it's called, second Rishabam, Sari, which is different from Sari. So the first thing you should learn is how different it is and get a sense of this. Sari. Okay, now Sari is present in Shankaravarnam, Mohanam, Kalyani, etc. And Sari is present in Maya Mala Gaula and Malahari, etc. Sari Ga. Now Ga is the same as Maya Mala Gaula. Ma becomes different. Ma is the Prati Madhyamam, or the second Madhyamam. Ma is different from Ma. Ma is just short of Panchamam. Pa ma pa ma pa ma pa. You can almost see it merge close to the Panchamam, slightly short of Panchamam. Sa ri ga ma pa. Okay, so those are the key things in the first part. Da. Now Dha is again a higher Devatam or Chatushruta Devatam. Chatushruti Devatam. Chatushruti means fourth Shruti. Okay, in the 22nd, 22 Shruti scheme, that's why it has that weird name. It is higher than Shuddha Devatam, which is Da. Okay, so you should notice the difference. Pada Ni is the same Nishadam as Maya Mala Gaula. Sa. Okay, that is Kakali Nishadam Antaragandharam. Okay, or Ni 3 Ga 3. Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Okay, so this is the same pattern. Okay, because it's a Sampurna Ragam and it's a Melakartha Ragam which has a symmetry. Sampurna means it has all the 7 notes. Now the Gamaka which is imbued in this Ragam, Sari, Sagari Gari, okay, which is similar to the Gamakam in Mohanam or Shankaravarnam, and Sagari Gari. Okay, Ri is in the middle of Sa and Ga. So Sa and Ga are flat notes pretty much. So you have an oscillation between the flat notes. Sagari Gari. Re. That is also that is another Gamakam where you have Re and a small touch above it, which is called an Anuswaram. Okay, but this is now the primary Gamakam. The primary Gamakam is a Sagari Gari. Sari. Okay, now Ga can be sung as flat, or since Ga is in middle of Re and Madhyamam, which is a high Madhyamam, you can also do a high Gamakam for Ga like this. Ri ma ga ma ga ga sa ri ga ma ga pa ma pa da pasada sada ni dasani sani sani sam sani sani sani. Okay, so these are the rules for gamakams. Sani sani, these are oscillations in the frequency. Okay, you are oscillating in frequency as you go up in time. So if you are an engineer, you know that this is like in the y-axis you have frequency, x-axis you have time, and you are doing a sine wave in the space. Sani sani. Okay, but it's a sort of a bias sine wave. You're hanging around in the sajjamam flat for a while and then just coming down like what we call a inverse delta function to nishadam and come back to sa. Sani sani sam sani. There's a slight notch which comes down to nishadam. Sani. Okay, that is the good model for how you do the gamakam. Da sada sada. So you notice that it's pivoted off the shruti shuddham or the shruti notes. Sada pa ma pa ma ma ga ga. Okay, so you come pa ga ga ga. Okay, now that you do small anuswaram where you give a hint of the shuddhamadhimam but not quite. Okay, that is why it's called an anuswaram. It's not quite a swaram. Okay, so it just appears as an artifact of the gamakam. Ga ri gari gari ri ri gari gari. That is also an anuswaram. It can be done that way, or gari gari. Okay, which is the canonical or the basic gamakam form. Sa. Okay, to do that together. Sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa. When you're going faster, you reduce the number of oscillations. Instead of doing sari sari sari, you do sari. That's only once oscillation. Sari ga ma ri ma ga ga pa ma pa da ni sa pa pa sa da da sa ni sa da sa ni sa ni sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa 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 ga ri ma ga pa ma pa sa da sa ni sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ga ri ga pa ma sa ga ri ma ga pa ma pa da ni sa ni sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa 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 ni sa da pa pa ma ga ri ri sa. Okay, sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Okay, that's how it comes. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa na na hi. Okay, this is akaram form of the gamakam. Okay, first thing you should do in akaram is first to do the arohana and akaram in slow, then you can do the fast. Are you able to picture the gamakams in your mind? If not, you should go back and learn the gamakams once again. Sari rimaga maga gapama pama sa pada ni sa Sari Gama pada ni sa Sani da Bamagariza. Okay, so these are very important aspects. Let's go on to the Sahityam, the Geetham itself. The Sahityam goes as Kamalajadala, Vimala, Su-nayana, Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe, Karuna, Sharadhe, Kamalaa, Kaanthaa, Keshi and Narakaasura, Vibhedana, Varada, Velapura, Surottama. Okay, so these are the words, and you should make sure you are able to articulate it as crisply as I did. What do these words mean? Kamalajadala, Vimala, Su-nayana. Nayana means eyes, Su means beautiful eyes, Vimala means pure. Su-nayana. Karuna Sharadhe means the merciful one. Karunaambudhe or Sharadhe, all these are merciful ones. Oh, the merciful one with lotus-like eyes. Kamalajadala means the Dala means the petals of the lotus. Kamalajadala. Kamala is the lotus. So one who has eyes like the petals of the lotus, the merciful one. This refers to Lord Venkateshwara or Lord Vishnu. Okay, this is a song on Lord Vishnu. Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. So Kari stands for elephant king. In this case, the reference is to Gajendra, who prayed to Vishnu in distress, and Vishnu protected him. Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. You are the one who was an ocean of mercy, who showed kindness to the elephant king Gajendra. Karuna Sharadhe means one who showed kindness. Kamalaa, Kaanthaa. Okay, you are the husband of Lakshmi. Kamalaa is Lakshmi. Okay, and Kaanthaa means the lord of Lakshmi, or the one who is the husband of Lakshmi. Keshi and Narakaasura, Vibhedana. You kill the demons or asuras. Asura, Keshi and Naraka. Okay, these asuras you killed in the incarnation of Krishna. And Varada, Velapura, Surottama. Surottama means you are the greatest among gods. Sura stands for gods. Uttama is the topmost one, or the first one. You are the greatest. Varada, Velapura. Okay, so you reside in the city called Velapura. Okay, so that is the very simple meaning of this Geethams. Okay, so we go to the first line. We do the Swaram Sahityam in plain notes and then with Gamakam, and also with Akaram later. Sa 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 ni da ni sa. This starts with the higher octave and immediately starts with the janta. Sa sa sa. Okay, remember the janta rule is sa sa. It should come like that, and it should be very crisp. Only the second and third notes should jump. So it's like a jump in the second and third notes. First note should not jump. Sa 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 ni da ni sa. Okay, ni kakal nishadam da. Okay, Chatushuddha Devatam should be clear. Ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Sa 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 ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Okay, it's a very sort of patternish. You can see the pattern here. 7. Ni da pa ma pa. Okay, ni da ni sa is similar to da pa ma pa. Okay, da pa ma is the higher madhimam. Pa. Okay, now let's look at the Sahityam along with this. Normally the way you should learn is first do the Swarams fully and then the Sahityam. But I like teaching the Sahityam along with the Swaram. Kamala sa 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 Kamala. Okay, you see the jump in Mala. Kamala Jadala. Jadala. Okay, Dala means petals. Okay, Kamalajadala. Jadala Nida Nisa. Okay, it should be very clear and well projected. Okay, that is important. Vimala Nidapa Su-nayana. Su-nayana. Okay, that is the word. You should remember the word and not slur it. Okay, Vimala is one word. Vimala means pure. Su-nayana means beautiful eyes. Vimala Su-nayana. Okay, Nayana, and you should not do like that. Nayana or something like that. Those are all slurs. Okay, those words, I mean, the word is being distorted when you do that. Okay, so you should be careful not to distort or slur the word. Vimala Su-nayana. Okay, Kamalajadala Vimala Su-nayana. You have eyes like that of the lotus petals. Gama pa padadhani. Okay, no, Gama pa padadhani. Okay, you came from Sa all the way to Dapa Mapa, and then you're going up again now. Gama pa ga is Antargandharam. Madhyamam is second Madhyamam. Remember, ma pa pa. There's a janta there. Pa pa da dhani. So there is janta for pa pa and da dha. Okay, pa pa da dha. So the first note in both of this should not jump. Only the second note should jump. Ga ma pa. You see the first note doesn't like have this abrupt jump. Ga ma pa pa da dhani. Okay. Ga ma pa pa da dhani. Da pa ma pa ga ri sa. Da pa ma pa ga ri sa. Okay, now let's look at the Sahityam. Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. Karunaambudhe. Ambudhe means ocean. Karuna means mercy or kindness. Kari means elephant. Okay, Varada means the elephant who prayed to you, or the one who gave boons to the elephant. In this case, Gajendra. Kari Varada. Okay, Kari Varada. Okay, you should split it like that. You should give an emphasis. Even though the Swaram pattern seems to be slightly different, the Sahityam pattern is sort of intertwined with the Swaram pattern here. Kari Varada. Okay, now Va should be given a little more of a brightness, because that's where the new Sahityam starts, or the word starts. Kari Va Kari Varada Karunaambudhe. Okay, now Karunaambudhe. Karunaambudhe. Budhe. A is implied there. Okay. Karunaambudhe. Kari Varada. Kari Varadha. Kari Varada. It's a jump there. Okay, because of janta. Dhani Karunaambudhe. Now here's another issue with the Sahityam. When the Sahityam is long, like Karunaambudhe, and also a lot of spans a number of swaras, one of the goals in the Geetham is you should be able to sing that in one breath. Initially it might be tough, but then you should break it up, sing each piece in one breath, and then try to concatenate it or put it together and sing it in one breath. Karunam. Okay, maybe that you can sing in one breath. Dani da pa Budhe Ambudhe Ma ba ga ri sa. Now put it together. Karu. Remember that was a janta there. Karunaambudhe. Okay, now next line. Da 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 ga 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 the. It's a janta. The. Ga, gha, gha. So here, interesting, there is two jantas and one dirgham. Okay, ga, ga. It should come like that. Okay, so far this is the first dirgham you are encountering in this ragam, in this song. Ka, da, ga, gha, gha. Ma, pa, a. Magarisa Karuna Sharadhe Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa Kamalaa ma pa ma ga ri sa kan ri sa Kaanthaa. Okay, now you can give another avartanam. There is one more beat cycle of akaram, but that's not necessary. Now let's do that Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Kamalaa Kaanthaa means, remember, it's the husband of Lakshmi. Kaanthaa means husband. Kamalaa stands for Lakshmi. Karuna Sharadhe means one who is the ocean of mercy. Karuna Sharadhe. And remember, this jump should be very pronounced. Karuna dha Sharadhe Kamalaa ma pa ma ga ri sa kan ri 1 2 3. Okay, it's a dirgham for 3 aksharams. Kaanthaa. So here we learn how to count aksharams for 3 or 4 or 2. Okay, ta 1 2 3 4. Okay, now next line. Ga ma pa da pa. Ga ma pa da pa. Okay, go back again to the higher reaches. Ni da pa da pa ma pa da pa ma pa. That's how it comes. Okay, so it's like sort of reflection. Ni ga ma pa, and the reflection of that is ni da pa, and the reflection of ma pa da pa is da pa ma pa. Ke ga ma pa da pa, ni da pa dha pa ma pa. Okay, Keshi Narakaasura Vibhedana. Okay, now Keshi Narakaasura Vibhedana means one who destroyed these demons, Keshi and Narakaasura, in the Krishna Avatara. Keshi Naraka ga ma pa da pa. Keshi Narakaasura vi panidabam. And there you make sure it sounds as Asura rather than Sura. Okay, Narakaasura. Narakaasura vi. Okay, now Vibhedana is a new word, even though it starts at not at the same place the melody goes. Ni da pa ma pa. You'd like to sing like that in the swarams, but the Sahityam begins offbeat. That is Su-asura Vibhe pada pa ma pa Vibhedana. Okay, Varada Velapura Surottama. Ga ma pa pada dhani da pa ma pa ga re sa. Now this part you already saw the same swaras earlier. Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. We did the same. Gama pa pa da da ni da pa ma pa ga re sa. Now, but the Sahityam is different here. Varada. Varada means one who gives boons. Vara is boons. Varada means da is one who gives. Dayaka. Vela. Ve. Okay, now Panchamam. Second Panchamam is a Janta. Vela. Okay, Velapura. Okay, now that's Vela. You'd like to stop there, but it's not stopping there. Pura. That's where it stops. Velapura Surottama Mapagarisa Gamapa Varada Velapura Dava Pura Velapura Surottama Mapagarisa. Okay, now you do once more Karuna Sharadhe, Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Karuna Sharadhe, da 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 ga ga ga. Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Okay, now let's move to the Gamakam version of this. Sa sa sa. Okay, the Janta itself is a Gamakam, so there's no need to give any more Gamakam. Sa 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 Kamala. Now notice Gamakam start appearing. Jatala Sani Sada Sani Sani Sada Jatala Jatala Sani Sada Sani Sani Sada Vimala Sani Sada Pa Vimala Sada Pa Suna Pasada Pa Yana Ma Pa Ma Pa Vimala Sani Sani Sada Pa Su-nayana Pa Ma Pa Kariva Kariva Paga Paga Ma Ka Paga Pa Paga Paga Ma Pa Kariva Radha Karu Pada Pa Pasada Da Pasada Ka Dasada Da Ni Kariva Radha Karu Sada Sada Ni Da Sudar Pasada, and then the ending of that da is a small anuswaram, that is a da and small touch of the note above it, even though it doesn't exist in the ragam. Karu Sani Sani Nambu Sada Bama Pama Pama Sada Bama Nambu De Pa Paga Gari Gari Sam De Karuna Sada 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 Sharadhe Ga Ga Gari Ga Ga. Small anuswaram around Gandharam. Anuswaram means slight touch above it. Ga. Okay, even though the Madhyamam Shuddha Madhyamam doesn't occur, slight touch, you don't go all the way to the Shuddha Madhyamam. Okay, you just touch the Shruti above it. Okay, in the 22 Shruti schemes, there's a small Shruti above Gandharam and before Madhyamam, you touch that intermediate Shruti. That's what this Gamakam is about. Sharadhe Kama Ma Pama Pama pa ma ga ri sa pa ma pa ga ga ri sa Kamalaa Kaan Sagari ri. So no Kaan. You can do like that. It's a little more aggressive. Better sounding is Kaan Sagari ri. Okay, no, so that second and third gamakams are just a touch above Rishabham, which is Anuswaram. Sagari gari Kaanthaa. Okay. Keshi Rimagagapamapa Keshi Naraka Ma Pamapa Pazadapa Naraka Sura Asura Sapasanida Sadapa Naraka Sura Vibhedana. Okay. Dhana Ma Pama Varada Paga Gapama Varada Vela Padadani. Okay, no, da da. Okay, small oscillation around Devatam. Da bada, it starts because it's a janta which is given a little bit of sublimation. Da bada is actually the janta, but you're slowing it down slightly. Da bada dani Varada Vela Dazani Surapu Bama Su Pasada Dasada Bama Rottama Paga Gari Riza Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Ma pa ga pa ri sa ka sa ri sa ta. Okay, so that is the Gamakam version. See how much more beautiful it is when it's embellished or ornamented with these Gamakas. Now we go to the higher speed. Kamalajathala, or with Gamakams it comes like Kamalajathala Sani Sada the Sani Sani Sada Jathala Vimala Su-nayana, and with Gamakam it comes as Vimala Su-nayana Vimala Sani Sada Dava Sadaba Mapa. You see the Gamakas become abbreviated at the higher speed. Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana. Okay, Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. This is how you'll sing in flat notes. And in Gamaka, Kari, Varada, Karunaambudhe. Kari Varada Kari Varada Gapa Padadani Pasada Sadani Kari Varada Karunaambu Sadabama Pagariza Papagariza De Karuna Sharadhe Da ga gariga Kamalaa, and with Gamakam Kama Pama Pama Gaririza Kamalaa Kaan Sagari Sa Ta Kaanthaa. That is the flat notes. Sa gari gari sa Kaanthaa Keshi and Narakaasura Keshi and Narakaasura Pani pani nida Narakaasura Keshi and Narakaasura. You see how flat that is? Keshi and Narakaasura Vibhedana padabamapa Vibhepadaba mapa dhana Varada Velapura gamapa padadanidaba Varada Velapura daba sadaba Surottama pamapagariza Surottama gari gariza Karuna Sharadhe da 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 ga ga gariga Kamalaa it's Kamalaa, okay. Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Okay, so that is the faster version. We'll go even faster. Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana Kari Varada Karunaambudhe Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa Keshi and Narakaasura Vibhedana Varada Velapura Surottama Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Okay, how do we do this? Kamalajathala. Okay, that is flat. Kamalajathala. Okay, just it becomes an approximation. So gamakas almost merge into flat notes when you go at a higher and higher speed. Kamalajathala. Okay, it comes like that, okay, because you are abbreviating it. Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana Nidaba Daba Sunisadaba Sadaba Mapa Saba. Okay, it's just like a Sadaba Mapa Pamapa comes like that. Vimala Su-nayana. Vimala Su-nayana. Remember that. Kari Varada Karu Gamapa Gamapa Padadani Gamapa Paga. Okay, Mapa Kapapa, that's all. Okay. Padadani Pasadani Kari Varada Karunaambudhe Navama Sadavama Pagariza Naambudhe Karuna Sharadhe Sadada Gagaga Kamalaa Pamapagariza. Okay, Kamalaa Kaanthaa gari sa. Okay, only there the re gamakam is clear. Keshi and Narakaasura Kamabamabadaba Sura Vibhedana Nidasanizaba Dabamaba Kari Varada Velapura Gamapa Padadanidaba Varada Velapura Danidaba Dasanizaba Varada Velapura Surottama Mapagariza Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Okay, now another important thing to do is to learn this in Akaram. Ni sa ni sada sada sa ni sam. Okay, it should ring. The gamaka janta should ring even then. Sa ni sada sada sa ni sam. Sa ni sada 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 ba ma ba 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 ga gama gama ma ba ma ba ma ba pada pasada sada 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 dasani sani da bama pagariza paga sada 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 Karuna Kamalaa, that part. Magariza pama pama baga baga gari 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 sa sa gari 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 sa that is 8. Okay. Keshi Narakaasura sani sani sada sada ba sada sada ba pa ma pa ma pa. Okay, each gamakam is coming twice, you notice. Gama ba pa da da ni pasada sada da sani sani pasada sada da sani sani sada sada ba pa ma pa ma pa pa ga pa ga gari gari ri ga Kaanthaa. So the Sakaram practice is very important, because when we later do Varnam or more complex kritis, you need Akaram strength. That is, you need to be able to do abstract out all the Swaram and Sahityam as Akaram or just A, okay, and still keep the A without slurring and doing all the Gamakams in their fullness. It's very important practice. Okay, now just going to the other extreme, we can do the Sakaram at very high speed. Sa 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 ni da ba da ba ma ba. Observe that here you're just emphasizing the laya. Tat 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 tat. I would also encourage you to try this also, because that sort of crisp splitting of the akaram makes your laya or the gate very strong. And then you can slowly connect it to make it continuous. Kamalajathala sa 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 ni da ni sa ni da ba da ba ma ba that's more discreet. It's a more continuous, but it's also gamakam. You see the gamakas get merged into one another. Ni da ba ma ba gama pa ba da da ni da ba ma ba ga ri sa da 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 ga 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 ma pa ma ga ri sa ka ganda ri 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 sa ga ri 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 sa ga ga ga. Okay, now these are all tough akarams, but you should practice it in those easy contexts like Geetham, rather than trying to do more tougher stuff in Varnam or Kriti, okay? Gama pama badaba Keshi and Narakaasura Vibhedana Nidabadabamaba Varada Vela Surapurodama Pura Surottama Dabama Pagariza Harakadare Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa okay, so good luck with this practice. And notice that this is just to remind you, this Talam, I have not shown how to put the Talam. It is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and this song pretty much fits into that Talam very easily. That is, it keeps giving you a hint of the Talam all the time. Sa 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 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is also another way of practicing the Tala. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 kaza ni da ni sa ni da ba da ba ma pa. Okay, ga ma pa pa da dha ni da ba ma pa ga ri sa Kari Varada Karunaambudhe 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is how it comes. Now the key point in the Triputa Talam is that since it's a 7 beat cycle, when you're doing the first column, second column, third column, the avartanas will seem to end in 7 in the middle of the beat. Like for example, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 is counted as 3 fingers, and then 1 2 3 4 is 2 anudrutams, or one beat and one veechal, or you basically show your hand outside. 1 2 1 2. Okay. Now when you're doing it at the second speed, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Now what happens is that this is 7 aksharas, which is half of 14. Okay, now if you take 14 and split it by 2, it is at 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 1 comes 7. Okay, so it will split at somewhere in the middle of a beat. Okay, so you should not get flustered by the fact that it's falling somewhere in the middle, or it's finishing somewhere in the middle, because after you do twice, it will come back to the samam, or the main cycle. 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, now when you do the third column, it's even worse, because it's 3.5, which is half of 7, right? Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana. Okay, now 7 splits at 3.5, right? Now so it's like 3.5. So it's like okay, so now we are going at the third speed, which is 4 aksharams per beat. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, that it becomes 7. So it's like 1 3/4 beat, your whole one sangati will get over. Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana. Okay, now that will fit at half beat of the middle. 1 2 Kari Varada Karunaambudhe. Okay, now this, while putting Talam, it's a little bit tricky, so it's very important to practice with the Talam. Kamalajathala Vimala Su-nayana Kari Varada Karunaambudhe Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa Keshi and Narakaasura Vibhedana Velapura Surottama Karuna Sharadhe Kamalaa Kaanthaa. Okay, so these are ways of remembering this Geetham.